All right, guys, here we are. We're at iHeart Media in Indianapolis. We're here to see Craig Moore at 2 months after his ARTAS Robotic FUE. So we're going to go check in, see how he's doing. He's going to take us on a little tour through the facility. Let's go see what's going on.
Hey.
Hey.
How's it going, buddy?
How's it going,
Come on in.
Come on in, guys. Let's go see what's going on.
Welcome out to the studio, Dan.
Thank you.
You ready for your big on-air debut today?
He hooked you up.
That was great.
All right.
Go right ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No problem.
All right.
It's the Bob and Tom
Bob
show,
and Tom.
world famous.
Yeah, world famous, right?
We've had a number of famous people come through here.
Those stuck and gunner guys, they're always around somewhere, aren't they?
They're always running around here somewhere.
All over the place. Somebody didn't want to be on the camera.
I'm surprised Stuck is not asleep on the couch.
Yeah,
right now,
well,
to be honest with you.
Yeah, I mean, some history here, right?
Yes, this is our acoustic den. We have bands that come in and perform here
Oh, really?
on our
That's cool.
sound studio stage. And this is where we eat.
This is where we eat, and, well, you guys eat. And, so how many shows or stations out of here?
We have 4 stations in this building,
okay.
And each station has at least 2 shows on it, and all of them are performed live.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Here we are, Alt 103.3.
This is where the magic happens,
That's
guys.
right.
Alt 103.3.
Legit. Indies Do Rock Alternative Alt 103.3. Hi, it's great. I'm sure you've heard me talk about my hair procedure that I've had done with the folks at PAI. The world famous Darren from We Grow Hair Indy is here in the building with us right now. And just checking out the progress, and it's looking really good. In fact, you can see the progress yourself. Go to my personal page, my VIP page at wegrowhairindy.com. Ask for me to take my hat off in public. I'll give you free tickets. How about that?
So I know you're probably a little frustrated because it's coming up 2 months post-transplant. You're looking in the mirror and going, okay, where is the hair? As you may recall, it takes 60 to 90 days for a transplanted hair to get into the growing phase. After the transplant, what happens is we transplant the hair falls out, but the seed or the bulb stays under the surface. So part of its natural cycle is it goes into a resting phase. Normally at this stage, you're sort of in no man's land where you kind of look the same, but if you look really closely, and I can see it from this angle, you can see the little tiny telogenic hair starting to pop up. I know for me personally, when I had mine done, that was kind of exciting. Those hairs will take another 6 to 8 weeks to really start to mature. So between now and 4 months, you'll see a lot of extra growth. Now you may have a little light irritation in areas, occasional little pimple or ingrown hair, that's totally normal. Things like the Rogaine, which you're doing, right?
Right, twice a day?
Yep, perfect. So Rogaine is a vasodilator. It helps to dilate and promote the regrowth of the transplant hair a little faster, and it helps to keep the non-transplanted hair. Laser therapy, doing that once a week. In the clinic, again, neither are compulsory, but they do help with maintenance of the non-transplant hair, so it gives you that best long-term global approach. ARTAS Robotic FUE, the most advanced FUE hair transplant procedure in the world. We're the only place in Indiana that has it. Technology is important to you, right?
Yeah.
So why the ARTAS Robotic FUE?
But just looking at all the options available, that one just made sense to me. It eliminates that human error element, and it's just precise, and that's what I'm all about. I wanted it to be right. I wanted it to be perfect.
Guys, we took over 5,000 hairs from the donor area here. It's totally undetectable. This is the benefit of the ARTAS Robotic FUE. Any other way of harvesting hair follicles threatens to leave evidence of where the follicles were taken from, not the ARTAS Robot. Totally undetectable. He could wear his hair much, much shorter than this. Look at the before picture, it looks exactly the same because the accuracy and the reproducibility and the algorithms that go with the ARTAS Robotic FUE. Tilt forward, downward for me. He's got a lot of little hair starting to come in. Little baby guys at the moment. They're transparent, there's no color to them. But I tell you what, this is going to look significantly different in about a month to 6 weeks. So I can already see it. It's going to be awesome, man.
Yeah, I cannot wait to see it done.
Appreciate you.
Thanks,
Thank
Darren.
you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to wegrowhairindy.com.